Hello Python programmers, this is AK. In this video we are going to learn about how to create a Telegram bot using Python. Actually this is a basic step to create a Telegram bot. Using this bot we can do many functions in Telegram. And in this video I am going to show you how to set up and how to send a simple message using that bot. So this is the agenda of this video. Let's start to code. First we need to install one library that is called as PyTelegramBot. Using this library we are going to give commands to the Telegram bot that we are going to create. After installing the package, go to Telegram and search bot further. This is the official and safest way to create the Telegram bot. And we need to type /newbot and press the enter button. And it is asking for the bot name. So you need to give the unique bot name. You can give any name that you want. And note that your name must be unique. Okay. Here I give some random names to create a bot in Telegram. After giving the name, you will get a message like this. In this message, they will provide a link. Using this link, we can access our Telegram bot. So this is the safest way to create a Telegram bot. Now it is a new bot and this bot doesn't do anything because we didn't load with any commands to the bot. Here we need Python programming to load some commands to the Telegram bot. Let's write a code for this bot. Open your IDE and import Telebot package that we installed previously. After importing the package, we need to create a variable called bot token, and inside this variable you need to mention your token value. This acts as an API key. It is very unique key for every bot. So paste your API key and this token value is present in the Telegram message. You can copy the value from there. And next you need to create a variable called bot. And in this bot variable you need to pass the Telebot object. After creating this object, you need to pass the parameter values. These two parameter values are very important. Here we are going to pass two parameters that are token value and parse mode parameter value. This is the primary step. Next we need to initiate the message handler. For initiating the message handler, you need to write bot.messageHandler and open the brackets, and inside the brackets you need to mention your commands. We need to assign some commands to the bot. Okay. So here I write hello. This is my command. And we need to add the reply message for reacting this command. Okay. And this is the command to the bot. And next you need to create a function called sendMessage. Using this function you need to add the reply text to the command. So write bot reply and open the brackets. Inside the brackets you need to type your reply message. So this actually works like when you are sending the hello command, then the bot replies with these messages. Okay. And finally call the function and run the file. If you didn't face any errors, go to the Telegram application and search your bot name and open your bot. And type the command that we assigned previously. Here I assigned /hello. And now look at this bot, it replies hello Mr. AK. That's the reply message that I inserted. So this is the basic idea to create a Telegram bot and how to command that bot to do some things. I will show you more things. You can expect more videos in future on this particular topic. If you want to know about all the things, then subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified with every updates. That's all about this video. Thanks for watching and thank you.